crazy.
Guys, look at
what is happening?
it's called retail therapy.
Oh my god.
And there's more over there.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie. Share that beat of love. I wanna
ride the
Hey, Lauderdale ho, Lauderdale ho.
Wait, what is she saying?
I think she's saying Lauderdale ho. Oh no, or she's saying like that L ho.
I was gonna repeat it in like a very posh accent.
Oh.
But that both of us don't know what's being said.
Lauderdale ho, like that L ho. I just came back from the airport and I've been gone for...
You've been gone since before Christmas. Shorty put that up and then left.
I put the Christmas tree up and then left the Muslim to deal with it. I hate the reflection of my glasses. Should I quickly put contacts in?
A reflection on your glasses? Oh yeah, you probably won't be that close to the camera.
Back from the airport, I literally just walked in that door like less than an hour ago. I feel raggedy, I look a little bit raggedy, but I have a lot of packages and I want to open them really, really bad. So I was like, let me just put my camera on and do a little unboxing my packages with me. A bunch of these packages are either PR, things that I ordered, or Christmas gifts. So it's gonna be a little bit exciting for me. I don't know if it's gonna be exciting for you, but I hope that you take joy in my excitement the way that I take joy in yours. I hope that it's reciprocal. Imagine I like reveal our Addy. The first package is from the company called Reese. I might be butchering that, to be honest. They are like cute travel size containers. Guys, look, they're so cute. They have them in different colors. I'm pretty sure they sell them at Sephora and I wanted them so bad, but I didn't know how to ask like, can I have them? I said, are you guys working with anybody on any upcoming projects? Knowing damn well they don't do any influencer work like that. And they said, no, but we can send you Give me.
That's what I came for.
That's what I'm here for, baby. Look it, you can twist it like that. Twist it like that. And then pump it like that. Simple, simple, simple. Where are we going? Where's the next vacation? You know what, guys? I had a vacation that I was supposed to go on. I was supposed to go to Italy, and then me and Stink, you know, cut things off right before I was supposed to go. So I was really trying to get my vacation look under order. You know, I was really trying to give put together vacation babe.
Shorty learned how to braid her hair for this vacation and then didn't go.
I learned how to braid my hair. I got all new look. I got all new luggage just for me not to go. Love is a beautiful thing. Royale, let's see what you're talking about, girl. I love when companies send like a little handwritten note. Hi, Stacy. We hope you enjoyed these Royale goodies and can add them into your self-care routine. Okay. What you talking about? What you talking about? Hey, that's a full box.
Oh my god. That is a lot.
Layla, we're about to do our skincare, man. Let me tell you something. When I step out that door, I'm gonna have a micro patch, a pimple patch, collagen. Wow, they actually forced it on me. Miracle patch, overnight miracle patch. Okay, period. Have you seen the Pat McGrath thingy?
Yeah, is that like a peeling mask?
No, but I ordered peeling mask because I want
That's
to try
I was
it.
really about to buy one because everybody kept telling me to do it.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
I'm guessing this is a Christmas gift. Period. It's a gift from my older brother. He got me some iratos, some shoes, a hug boot. You know, Uggs are really long when you got a foot like mine. Big.
Just a little bit.
Just a wrinkle bit long, isn't it? Oh my gosh, yo, my foot's mad long. Whatever, man. Thank you, Pookie. I got these yoga pants from Amazon because I was literally just telling Layla how I hate how my pants, they're high waters. They don't touch the bottom. My pants never touch the floor, and I hate when I'm wearing pants and I go like this with my hips and they move at the bottom like that. Like, why did I do that? Why did I do that? Pissing me off. So I bought yoga pants from this company called Bubble Lime on Amazon. I'll link it in my LTK shop. This company lets you pick the inseam. Like you pick small, medium, large, but then you also order, like I have a 33.5 inch inseam. This is a 34 inch. Fuck around and find out. I might just order another one. I got Amazon Prime. Oh my gosh, I'm actually excited for those. I was gonna order a bunch, but I want to see how that one fit first. Should we get Amazon out the way? I got boxers. Don't ask me why. Don't ask me why. Like, and don't ask me if I have a man. Don't ask me.
It sounded just like a coffee when you said.
Ask me, come on. Ask me, bro. Bro, ask me. Ask me why I got these.
Why? I don't understand.
Listen, so since you're so intrigued, I got boxers because I saw this girl who was like sagging her pants and it looked so cute because she had boxers.
That is so
Women's
cute.
clothing is so funny.
This is going on a body or a toy?
Floss your teeth with it. I got a bunch of stuff from Depop. It's ruined. Is this ruined?
Yeah, what is happening? I looked at that as soon as you opened it, but I didn't want to ruin your excitement.
Would you look at that? This is what I'm talking about. Like, this is that shit.
Oh my god, wait, those are so cute.
Girl, I'm telling you. BB, they give me a note. Let's read it. I can barely read it.
Oh my god.
Okay. Honestly, this top, I kind of regretted buying as soon as I bought it, but
Wait, why?
I don't know. Like, I'm not a fan of neon. I actually quite literally hate
No,
neon.
it's giving me Hannah Montana.
Okay, this skirt.
That's really cute, but is it like jeans that they cut?
It looks like jeans that they cut. And also, it's quite short compared to what I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
My ass is going to be...
Your ass is definitely gonna be out.
If my parents are watching this, this is going in the garbage.
So funny. Oh my god, that's so cute.
Clearly, I'm obsessed with the,
What is that brand?
BB! I also got this. This is from Fenty. Embroidered my name on it. You see it? You know what I don't like about my initials?
It's the beginning of your name.
It looks like you forgot to spell my name.
It was like you started writing Stacy and then you forgot what you were doing.
up.
Yeah.
You know, I thought about that ever since I was a little kid. I don't like, whenever anybody's like, put your initials on something. I'm like, I'm really tempted to add the ACY. Because there's no way. They sent me a bunch of stuff that's embroidered like this. It actually pisses me off just a little bit. I'm going to put it away now. Another Depop. This is a scarf.
That's cute.
But it's so big!
Yeah, it is really big. But honestly, your ass has gotten really fucking fast. So maybe. I think it'll be just a little bit too big. I think your butt is going to make up for the space.
Back
like
to
that.
the top. Wipe away.
That's giving you would actually wear that green top
That's
with it.
what I bought it for.
Oh!
I'm a visionary!
What is that?
It says slide to open.
Slide to open and you're trying to rip it.
Slide to open.
This big ass box. Look what's inside of it.
Guys, a lot of companies, and this is no shade, no tea to L'Oreal, but this is all that's inside. Just feel how heavy this side is.
Yeah.
You put like what, metal in here?
To
Like,
unlock it
next time, send me this wrapped in a tissue paper.
in a Ziploc bag.
Let's save the earth one mascara at a time, yeah? Anyways, Layla gave me, what's this called? Concealer and then lip gloss.
Yeah.
Because I sent it to her. Okay.
Is that a skirt? Wait, that's a dress.
This is from one of my local galdems. Her company name is Chico.
I think it's gonna be really cute. That is so fucking cunt.
This is so cute. Oh, this is so cute.
Oh, put it down!
Ooh.
Act like a lady. NARS.
Oh.
Please be concealer.
NARS?
Please be concealer. Please be concealer.
NARS and me have beef. Why don't they send me anything? They need to start sending me shit again.
You heard the girl.
It's concealer?
No, I think it's blush. I think these are all lipsticks and liquid blushes.
Oh.
Look,
you
these
tried
might
this?
be up your alley. I promise you, I was just on a good one, bro.
Those are fucking cute.
I was just on a good one. I think because I wasn't seeing things that were coming in my head they weren't coming in.
Oh, so you didn't even buy anything? So you just kept buying more stuff?
Now I'm seeing it and I'm realizing at first I even forgot I bought these, but these are cute. These are from the company Soda. Do you know Soda?
No.
Soda used to be like popping back in the day. Sound like a granny. These are cute. My feet are definitely ashy and they definitely kind of hurt. I don't know what I'm gonna do. They hurt right here.
I heard there's something you could do about that. I don't know if it's heated up or...
This is from my babe, my lover, my fighter, my friend.
Those are so fucking cute. Is that cheetah print?
Yeah.
I feel like anything cheetah print is the cuntiest thing you could ever do.
Okay.
Do you have more boxes?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Hyper real. MAC Cosmetics Radiant Canvas Skincare.
Skincare?
Skincare? That did not ring in my head when I said it out loud. Hopping up.
Okay.
Oh! Look, they gave me little things to do on my hands so that I don't get my elbows wet.
Oh, that's what that's for?
What did you think it was for? Put it like
Every
this.
time I saw people wearing them, I was like, those are so cute. Why are you wearing those?
You know when you wash your face and then the water starts
Yeah.
dripping?
Okay,
It all
okay.
gets caught right there.
I like Max, their makeup remover. They have like a makeup remover oil.
Skin Canvas Balm.
I don't know what that is. Oh.
Mac, you kind of ate this one little thing.
Who is on the team?
We gotta know.
Who? Yeah.
Mac, if you're watching this, we just want to say that we love you.
We love you so much.
We miss you and we miss the time we had together.
Yeah.
You know, and when you want to get that shit back up, I'm ready to come back when you are, Pookie. All up next. I honestly could have used this when I was dyeing the actual shit out of my hair every single day of every single week.
You don't even dye your hair anymore.
It replenishes, strengthens, nourishes. So, you know, maybe it's gonna replenish because my hair is low key. It's not dead, but the parts that I dyed and bleached and everything is giving on this last straw. Shampoo, conditioner, and hair perfector. Whatever the fuck that means, I'm putting it on my head and hopefully it comes out perfect.
Wow, my dad would eat those right up.
And you know what? People keep rashing on me because they look, don't look at them! They look like dad shoes.
No, but those are cute sometimes.
Hold this.
What size is this? Stop face.
Size 10. Layla's a size 5.
I was like 6.
6. Okay, this baby. What?
What? Who bought you those?
This is actually quite disappointing if it is what I think it is.
Oh!
Guys, I put on my Christmas list that I wanted AirPod Pros, but AirPod Pros are like $1,000 and I did not want anybody to spend $1,000 on me, and I also was not gonna spend $1,000 on myself to get AirPods from Apple. I wanted the look of Apple headphones, and I saw some people on TikTok talking about how they found a dupe of them, and I really just wanted the way that they look. I don't give a fuck if they're Apple, Samsung, I don't give a fuck. So then I found these on DHgate, and I'm actually scared because my friend bought some. If mine look like hers and I got mine for a fraction of the price, I'm not saying I won, but I won. I don't even know what they're supposed to look like.
I feel like they look real.
And they're weighted.
Yeah. Stacey, I think these are real.
Guys! I just can't justify these being $1,000.
Yeah.
And I'm seeing people with no money.
Wearing those
when we
weird
go
fucking
to the
hats.
store to get food, you're sitting there, we can see your stomach even. You know how cartoons people's stomach be like this?
Yeah.
You don't have money for food, for even a pizza, but you
have
bought
that
$1,000 headphones. Be real. They're connecting. Let me see. Hold on. Yeah, I literally put on my Christmas list. I don't care if it's a dupe or not. I just want something that looks like this. And Santa Deriva. Is it from the Apple store? Absolutely not. Do I care? Absolutely not. They're playing right when I put it on my ear. Okay guys, my camera is literally about to die because it's getting too hot. And I don't blame it. Look at the state of me. I hope you guys enjoyed unboxing this stuff with me. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the post notification bell down below so you get the notification whenever I post. I'll catch you guys next Friday in next week's video. Bye! Wanna say goodbye? Adios!
Adios!
I wanna